In this video, we're going to talk about VIP Savings Club and why it is absolutely a opportunity to save you money shopping locally, $50 business, and how you can get started not only saving money, but potentially making a lot of money by saving money while you're doing the things that you're already doing locally and traveling. Folks, we're going to touch bases on that and how this business is going global. People are excited. They're downloading the app. They're saving money. And we're going to this intro. We'll get into on the other side. Comments here in this video. We're going to talk about VIP Savings Club. We're going to touch bases on the compensation plan and what you're able to make. And while it's such a tremendous opportunity and the path forward is exciting and people are understanding where they can save money, but money making opportunities, ways to grow your income. We're marketing big ticket opportunities on the front side, such as, you make money by selling a big ticket product. You make a sale today, you're going to get paid today. While we're building residual income programs on the outside, I've got three powerful opportunities that I am marketing as residual income. And I usually say this in a lot of the videos. The American Bill Money, VIP Savings Club, Wealth Step by Step. These are three opportunities that have been vetted, that I believe Jose Green said that we can get out to $5,000, $10,000 plus per month. Of course, as an income disclaimer, in life nothing happens until you take action. But the VIP Savings Club is something you want to get involved with today because it's the right thing to do and it makes sense. Making shopping and traveling, movie theaters, hotel rentals, car rentals. And folks, look at these. Do you recognize Burger King, McDonald's, Dell, Applebee's, Taco Bell, Olive Garden, Lowe's, Costco, Sonic, JCPenney, Kia, Red Lobster, Papa John's? These are all things that we shop every single day, and we can get paid in a home-based business, and we can make a tremendous amount of money. Very exciting, folks, to be a part of the VIP Savings Club. We're going to play some of this video in just a minute. I'm not going to be real long on it, but I want to show you what's possible. Want to run this real quick and show you that this is the perfect $50 business that is gone global. Folks, I'm telling you, our $50 business is breaking the mold. It's going international. We're already in 150 countries around the world. Anyone can use our mobile app instantly to save instantly on our two savings portal via cell phone, laptop, tablet, or computer. Our business model is very simple. You get paid great money to help others save on everything they are already buying. Let me double down on that. You get to help people to save money on things they're already buying. With our VIP Savings Club discount program, over 1 million brands to local businesses. Our VIPs, let me highlight that, Savings Club discount platform with over 1 million brands and local businesses. The average savings can range from hundreds to thousands depending on your purchase. That's the average savings. Save on groceries, dining, gas, apparel, all the things travel, car rentals, local deals, cruises, condos, event tickets, auto services, insurance, and much more. Here is a testimonial from Jeff D. I used VIP Savings Club for the first time of the last week, 10 days, and I already saved over $44, so the membership pays for itself. Our business is simple. Our opportunity offers up to 75% off deals that are not available to the general public. Very exciting way to just grow your. Here's our back office again. When the back office look like this, you have the dashboard, the deals, nutritional products in the company where you are, the 4x4 force matrix, how to promote the business, tool the business. We have capture pages, 2 that are available. I have an optional capture page that I'm using over at my capture page. Testimonials, and it's just a simple back office to help you be able to make a lot of the VIP Savings Club. Look at here, folks. You can save on travel, rental cars, flights, theme parks, hotels, again, car rentals, water parks, movie tickets. Just choose your city and go shopping. It's just that exciting. I'm going to show you a piece of a video of the hybrid shared plan and what's possible with the VIP Savings Club. Look at this, folks. You can save money at SeaWorld Orlando, SeaWorld San Diego, SeaWorld, San Antonio. Also, Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay, Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. All over the place, you're saving money while traveling to these tourist parks. Let's go back over here quickly. Also, look at this, folks. We have products that are healthcare products, women's health, weight loss and detox, superfoods, sports and nutrition, skin care. We have men's health, general health, CBD, beard care. Folks, this is exciting times with this new hybrid shared up bonus. We have the products, we have the savings, and we have the potential to make a great income with the VIP Savings Club. I want to touch bases quickly on this quick video. Again, here are all the logos. People go to Burger King. You can save at Applebee's, Lowe's, Goodyear, Sonic. All these places we can save money once you download the app. Folks, this is a business in a box that you want to get involved with today. Let's watch one of the leaders talk about some of the benefits of this hybrid shared up plan.
And that's why I'm excited about here is that our product stands on its own, and we've got to understand that it's all about savings, okay? And we're going to be adding a platform as well, because speak about that a little bit later on in terms of what's been going with the company, adding a lot more to this membership. It's a subscription-based VIP Savings Club. You're going to be getting a lot of perks, folks, and I'll tell you that we are just getting started. Okay, so that is a little bit on our product line, and as I mentioned, we are going to be touching more on some products, some new products that were launched in your back office today. If you are a part of the VIP Savings Club, and we're going to touch on that a little bit later on as well. But besides that, folks, we're going to switch gears now, and we're going to talk to you a little bit about referring members to the VIP Savings Club. Now, what I love about it that the product stands on its own. So if somebody wants to come in and be a member, and they just want to purchase products at amazing prices, they want to book a hotel, they want to go on a cruise, they want to save money, they can do that, right? There's no one's forcing anyone to do, if they don't want to refer anyone to the business, they don't have to. They can just become a member. But why wouldn't you want to refer someone to the membership, folks? Because if you're making money, if you're saving money, then why wouldn't you tell your friends and family about it, right? So that's what it's all about. And I'll tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that VIP Savings is going to pay you very, very well to refer the membership to your friends, family, and associates. So we're going to switch gears, and we're going to talk a little bit about that. And I'll tell you guys, I've been in this industry for many, many years as well, and I'm sure there's other leaders that are on the call, and we've never seen a pay plan so generous, and that was what really caught my attention. So let's take a look at what's going on here. I want to welcome everyone to our unique and one-of-a-kind hybrid shared-up coded bonus plan. Now, this is one of the most lucrative compensation plans ever designed.
Folks, pay attention to this shared up coded bonus plan. It is called one of the most ingenious, lucrative compensation plans ever designed in the history of network marketing. And he's about to prove it to you.
In the industry, guys, and we're gonna prove it to you to really show you, how powerful this compensation plan is. Okay. So what I want you guys to really, really pay attention, and I'm gonna really outline how this compensation plan breaks down. So it's all about the power of 4, right? So what does that represent? 4 represents the minimum that you want to actually refer into the business is 4 members. So that's the minimum. But we always say don't let your minimum be your maximum, folks, because at the same time, you want to tell everybody about VIP, because once it starts working and once you start making money, you're using the membership, you're getting the benefits, you want to continue to share VIP with everyone. But we're going to speak to you right now about the power of 4, how exactly that works, okay? Now, these are some highlights of our compensation plan, and I'll tell you folks that if you've been in this industry before, you've really never seen anything like this, okay? Now, the first one here, it says earn 100% commission on your number 1 and your number 3 direct referrals. And we're going to talk to you a little bit about that more in depth in a minute. It says you earn 100% commission on your number 5 to infinity and all your direct referrals. Now, there's also a low monthly subscription of only $50, including a $10 reseller licensing fee. So what does it cost to get started here inside of VIP? It's $50, ladies and gentlemen. $50 and $50 every single month, okay? Now, within that $50, there is that $10 license fee. So let's talk a little bit about break even. So how do you break even? On your first sign up, folks, you're going to break even. Now, let me say that again, ladies and gentlemen. On your first sign up, you will break even. And the reason why, if you enroll a member right now, out of that
team, on your first sign up, you will break even. Game changer.
$50, you're going to make $40. $10 goes to the company, folks. That is amazing. Think about that. So how many $40 do you want? And then you're also going to earn 100% matching coding bonus on all what is called your shared up members. Now, this is also amazing. There's no achievable ranks that you have to hit. There's no personal group volume required. There's no hype on false hope of matrix spillovers. There's no legs to balance. There's pretty much no qualification in this compensation plan. Now, just think about that. In all the years that you've been doing business, there's always companies that, you start building the plan and all of a sudden, something gets you down the road. Here, ladies and gentlemen, it is wide open. As long as you do the work, you're going to earn income. It's really that simple, folks, okay? Now, before we get into our compensation plan, we're going to talk a little bit about some disclaimer here. And it says the income examples shown on the following spreadsheet are shown for illustration purposes only. Explaining the business plan, and they are not intended to serve as a guaranteed income like in other business. Success depends on one's own effort. Any financial examples given are in no way meant of inducement, promises, guarantees, or prediction of income, ladies and gentlemen. So what does that mean? Yes, we've got to do some work here. This is not just coming in and expecting to make money, okay, folks? So if you do the work, you will receive money. It's really that simple. So we're going to break down our compensation plan for you a little bit.
We're going to stop there, folks, for the sake of time. But as you can see, there are 3 ways to earn income: personal sales bonus, shared up bonus, matching shared up bonus. It's absolutely powerful. When you get a chance, folks, click the link below. Finish watching this video. Get signed up today. VIP Savings Club. If you have any questions, reach out to me, and I'll be more than happy to help you with any questions you may have. Folks, we have a powerful compensation plan here with VIP Savings Club. Folks, I'm going to end the video here for the sake of time, but I will bring you more information on VIP Savings Club and how you can potentially save money and grow your income exponentially. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next VIP Savings Club video.